Good morning everyone. In today's video, I will discuss customer value. Here is the new topic in marketing for class 11, that is customer value. As it is composed of two words, customer and value. Simply we know customer means purchaser of any product. Value means the thing which customer perceive in his or her mind. Value means valuable. कितनी वैल्यू करता है एक कस्टमर फॉर एनी प्रोडक्ट, दैट्स कस्टमर वैल्यू. सो द डेफिनेशन ऑफ कस्टमर वैल्यू इज गिवन हियर. यू कैन सी in the first paragraph customer value. In this paragraph, second last statement, you can see customer value is difference between the values benefit the customer gains from owning a product and cost of obtaining the product. So simple. कस्टमर वैल्यू क्या है? एक डिफरेंस है बिटवीन बेनिफिट्स कस्टमर रिसीव्स फ्रॉम प्रोडक्ट एंड कॉस्ट ऑफ ऑब्टेनिंग द प्रोडक्ट. सो हेयर इट इज़ रिटन द कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट इज़ नॉट लिमिटेड टू प्राइस but also time and energy spent on shopping. Customer value can be shown as an equation as below. Customer value is equal to total customer benefits minus total customer cost. What is customer value? Customer value equal to total customer benefits minus total customer cost. So it is the difference between benefits and cost. So what is customer value? Customer value is the difference between total customer benefits and total customer cost. So here we can see an example in the first paragraph. As discussed in the example of buying an iPod, we buy an iPod because it not only gives good music output but also the cool fashion statement associated with it. It means value. Whatever value we give to iPod, it's customer value. iPod, as we know, is used for listening good music, but it does not only give good music but also it is fashion nowadays. So customer value will be the benefits minus cost. Simple. Learn this formula. Customer value equal to total customer benefits minus total customer cost. Okay. Here is other thing. Imagine one buying a product. When we buy a product, aren't we thinking of the benefits of product? It's not only benefit, it rather the bundle of benefits associated with the product in the form of product quality, after sale service, warranty, repair cost, free home delivery, user friendliness, etc. So customer value means, just remember a formula, total customer benefits minus total customer cost. Okay, so we can also write this formula in definition like customer value is difference between values benefits the customer gains from owning a product and cost of obtaining the product. So last statement is, thus the marketer's role is to add more value to product in terms of benefits. So the marketer's role is to add more value to product in terms of benefits so that customer prefers the product in relation to competitors product. So customer value means आप कितने benefits दे रहे हो. Always benefits must be higher. Benefits must be higher than cost. Then only customer will purchase that item. As nowadays iPods, user like or customer likes iPods because it not only gives good music but also it has value. Like it is the symbol of cool fashion nowadays. So customer value means कितना benefits मिल रहा है, कितनी cost. Cost means आपकी कितनी energy, कितना time, कितना expense लग रहा है. So it is the difference between benefits and customer cost. Just remember the definition, formula and example of iPod. So today I have discussed one topic, very small topic and important also. This is very important topic for your board exam. Just don't skip this. Learn it. Read it properly, learn it properly. Customer value. Okay, thanks for listening. Next I will discuss in another video.